Hi dear friends, and welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you the best indicator for futures trading with 90% of accuracy. So let's quickly get to it. Today we will analyze with you the best indicator for trading that we use daily in our trading. And the uniqueness of this indicator is that it combines several indicators such as RSI, money flow, shows divergences, and by combining all these they generate points to enter long or short. That is when all the indicators converge in one place and talk about the same market direction. Sapphire shows a signal to enter long or short. This indicator is called market cipher and it is paid. And if you go to the official website now, the price of this indicator will be $600 or $1,500 depending on the period, and I think that is a high price for the indicator, although it is one of the best, but in our country, truly speaking, it is just beginning to gain its popularity. So there is already a lot of information on this indicator, but the videos always will be as useful as possible. So today we will analyze how to use this indicator in trading and show where you can get it absolutely free. So how to work with this indicator in trading for doing good money. So let's move on to the trading view. We write in the search for Woman Chu, and here we need to choose Woman Chu cipher B plus divergence. This indicator is a completely copy of the paid market cipher indicator, and I have already filmed a review on these indicators on YouTube where I said that they are different, that Woman Chu lags behind the original and shows signals late, and also calls for buying market cipher for a lot of money. I don't know if his video was sponsored by the creators of this indicator, but you can find a lot of videos where my fellow traders bought a market cipher and compared it with Woman Chu, and you will see that they are absolutely the same and there is no difference between them. So now let's see how to use this accelerator in your trading. So how there are a lot of things here, it is not immediately clear what to pay attention to, and your attention should be focused on 4 points. Blue waves above and below, red and green divergence lines, money flow, green wave and red wave indicated the inflow or outflow of money from coins. And the fourth, red and green circles. Here we see them, which are signals for long or short trades. As the data, there are a lot of circles on the accelerator. We need to learn how to filter these signals. In order to find exactly high quality trades in long or short, they must have a fading trend. That is, the first wave should be large, and after it a smaller wave, and the third should be the smallest wave. So let's take this example for you. We have one big wave, and after another one a smaller wave, and also we see the formation of divergence here. Divergence is the difference between the value on accelerator and on the real chart with the price. Here you can see that the price of the coin was falling while we already have a reversal and the movement is directed upwards. So This is serious factor indicating that the price is likely to unfold, as the accelerator data indicates that the price of the coin should already soon to take off. Also, it is still falling, and after the divergence, we pay attention to the money flow, and we have it in the red state. That is, now the coins are leaving money. There is an outflow. So now let's talk about red and green circles. We see that we have another green round, and this is an additional factor to confirm your signal that the price of the coin will rise soon. We pay attention to these green circles that are on blue waves, and you need to wait until the green round is fixed. And if we enter a trade without waiting for the end of the candle, this round will be lost. And when this round is fixed here, it will not go anywhere. Therefore, you should wait for the closing of the early candle. And the candle is closed, we go into the deal. So, let's see how much we would earn if we entered into a deal on this candle. That is about 4% of the net move up without adjustment. So we will select a suitable entry point for short trades. Here, for example, a great situation. We see a big wave and 2 rounds. And this rarely happens. When you see one big wave in this situation, it appears. And so I want to find a better example. So here is a very good situation. We see 3 waves that go one after another. One big, the second smaller, and one more small. The same red dots that give us the entry signal. But we enter either the second or the third wave. And ideally on the third wave, a red candle is formed. And so a red candle is formed, and we wait for the close and enter the second candle. It closed at this point. We go and wait for the profit. You can see we could make plus 10% profit on a net down move this hour. That is, there could be a good profit. So it could be a really good profit for us, I think. So we again see a direct downward movement of the coin, but keep in mind that this indicator will not do all the work for you. You should keep it in mind, in your mind. So you cannot enter into transactions on every green or red round, and these are just signals for good trading, and your task is to weed out the false ones in order to get a good result. So you can use it for any trades and on any time frame. And if you need fast trades, use it on a 15-minute frame or an hourly one. So, and if you want to trade for a long time, take daily or weekly candles. You can also use it in conjunction with support and resistance level. So when the price goes down to the support level, at the same time, all the factors for entering the long appear on the indicator. This will give you more confidence. And if you don't want to constantly look for these entry points, calculate risks, and so on, you can always subscribe to my Telegram channel, where I post insider signals and my personal analytics. The link, as usual, will be in the description below the video. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Goodbye.